struggling with messy devices for live streaming? Introducing the OBSBot Tail Air. Portable and can be placed at any place you want. Capture every moment up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Use gesture control to activate AI auto tracking feature. With the activated AI tracking feature, the camera would keep following you, your cute pet, and even an object. Now, let's go beyond and see more amazing features. Wirelessly control, monitor, and enter the amazing AI Director grids, constituted by several visible grids, so you can see the different views of your live scene. Let's dive into the deeper usage of OBSBot Tail Air. Multi-set up your tail air at different angles. Then you can activate the dazzling and efficient NDI connection. You'll be able to have an incredible live stream experience even at long distance. Supervise the video image in real time in low latency. You won't miss any dazzling movements with Tail Air's multicam solution. Activate AI auto tracking feature can wirelessly control and switch the PTZ and switch among tail air. The low light shooting of tail air stepped into next level by the enlarged pixel size, and the image could be clearer and less noise. OBSBot Tail Air support various connection, which makes it a powerful device to join your live stream workflow seamlessly. Get yourself ready with OBSBot Tail Air and mastermind your every moment right on air.
Introducing the Neomo X from Hokey, a cutting-edge lawnmower robot utilizing LiDAR SLAM navigation technology. Neomo X is equipped with LiDAR SLAM and a multi-sensor navigation system, ensuring precise positioning and navigation. The LiDAR-based SLAM system utilizes a laser sensor to generate a real-time 3D map of the environment. This allows the Neomo X to perform lawn care tasks efficiently and safely, even in densely wooded areas. Neomo X features a dual obstacle avoidance system utilizing LiDAR and vision, enabling real-time detection and precise obstacle avoidance. Its front-wheel drive design can easily cover a variety of lawn areas, with excellent off-road and hill climbing capabilities. It also incorporates an anti-blocking cutting disc design and supports electric height adjustment. The rain sensor module continuously monitors rainfall and delivers task feedback based on current weather conditions. Hokey app enables users to remotely monitor the Neomo X robotic lawnmower's working status anytime, anywhere. No need for complex auxiliary equipment like RTK reference stations. Easily set up virtual boundaries, safe passage, and no-go zones for your lawn area using the Hokey. Initiate lawn care with a single. Neomo X's parallel mowing algorithm significantly improves mowing efficiency. Thanks to LiDAR SLAM, Neomo X will never have signal blind spots in your garden. Powerful mowing performance keeps your lawn healthy. Effortlessly manage multiple areas with the Neomo X. Smoothly handle uneven terrain on your lawn. When the battery is low, Neomo X will automatically return to the charging station, record its current mowing position, and seamlessly resume mowing tasks after charging is complete. You can install the charging station in garages, tool sheds, and more. The outstanding performance of the Neomo X eliminates the hassle of lawn maintenance. Embrace the future of lawn care with Neomo X.
Enter Gadgetechnow Mind, the embodiment of your wildest visions. An exceptionally tiny and versatile computing unit that dances to the rhythm of your imagination. Take Mind everywhere with you. Simply snap it to the Mind dock and it becomes a full-fledged desktop computer for your everyday needs. Ergonomically designed with a fingerprint scanner, volume dial, and an array of essential ports at the back. When combined, they support up to 4 4K 60Hz monitors. When you are ready to go elsewhere, simply lift your Mind off Mind dock. It instantly switches to its internal battery and enters sleep mode. The core of your computer is ready to go in the blink of an eye. Mind is also great for road warriors. Attach it to the Mind X Play, and in a snap, it becomes a powerful tablet. Always stay in your flow. Spend no more time doing file transfers and conversion to a slower mobile system. Always work with the same computer. But do not be fooled by Mind's tiny size. When snapped to the Mind graphics, the true potential of Mind is unleashed. Handle the most demanding computer tasks and games with ease. Gadgetechnow that makes fast and easy docking possible without sacrificing GPU performance like conventional Thunderbolt eGPUs do. Wherever you decide to go, Mind will be with you. And this is just the beginning. The Mind ecosystem is expanding. It aims to bring a whole new personal computer experience to you in the upcoming years. Join us on this journey of innovation and endless possibilities. Together, let's shape a shared and democratic digital future. Gadgetechnow Mind. Redefine your computing experience.